Welcome to Edinburgh, Scotland's capital, and one of Europe's most picturesque cities. Known for its rich history, striking architecture, and vibrant culture, Edinburgh has something for everyone. Let's dive into the top 5 things to do in this magical city. No trip to Edinburgh is complete without a visit to Edinburgh Castle. This ancient fortress has stood for centuries atop Castle Rock, a volcanic hill. Inside, you'll discover the crown jewels of Scotland, the Stone of Destiny, a symbol of Scottish royalty, and the National War Museum. Don't forget to listen for the 1 o'clock gun, a tradition dating back to 1861. It's the perfect place to start your journey into Scotland's fascinating past. The Royal Mile is the beating heart of Edinburgh's Old Town. This bustling street is filled with history and character, stretching from the majestic Edinburgh Castle to the regal Holyrood Palace. Along the way, you'll find unique shops, cosy cafes, and historic landmarks. Be sure to step into one of the many closes. These narrow alleys often lead to hidden courtyards or charming spots. Every step along the Royal Mile tells a story. If you're craving a little adventure, lace up your hiking boots and head to Arthur's Seat. This ancient volcano, now a hill, offers some of the most breathtaking views of Edinburgh and beyond. The hike is moderate, taking around 45 minutes to an hour, but the panoramic sights are well worth it. Whether you're visiting at sunrise, midday, or sunset, the experience is unforgettable. Don't forget your camera. For a deeper dive into Scotland's heritage, head to the National Museum of Scotland. This architectural marvel is free to enter and packed with fascinating exhibits. Highlights include Dolly the sheep, the world's first cloned mammal, and artifacts that tell the story of Scotland's natural and cultural history. Whether you're into art, science, or history, there's something here for everyone. Even the building itself is a masterpiece. Tucked away just a short walk from the city centre is Dean Village, a tranquil escape from the urban bustle. Once a milling village, it's now a picturesque neighbourhood with charming cottages and the peaceful water of Leith flowing through. Take a stroll along the river or simply soak in the fairy tale vibes of this hidden gem. It's a perfect spot for a relaxing afternoon. Edinburgh is a city that captures the heart and imagination of every visitor. From ancient castles to peaceful retreats, there's always something new to discover. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy exploring.